Hey, what's going on everybody? Chase here at Rocky Mountain. So if you have a Yamaha Ténéré 700 and you are looking to increase your mileage and your capacity while you're out there on your rides, then this Acerbis fuel tank is something that you definitely want to look into. We've had this on this bike now for a little while. We've done a few rides with it and we love it. When we go on our rides, we want the most range that we can get, and this fuel tank takes your bike from 4.2 gallons, which is what the stock fuel tank holds, all the way up to 6.1. So it gives you a lot more fuel capacity, a lot more range, and there's some other nice benefits to this tank other than just the extra or the added capacity. So one being the construction. It's made from molded plastic, so it's a lot lighter than the stock steel tank that comes on these bikes. And what's nice about that is we haven't weighed it ourselves, but rumor on the street is that with this completely filled up, even though you're adding 2 gallons of fuel almost, you're actually only adding about 7 pounds to the motorcycle because of the weight savings going from steel to the plastic. And thirdly, it's a good looking fuel tank. It looks honestly like it came from the factory with this already installed on the motorcycle. So those are the reasons that we've really enjoyed this Acerbis fuel tank, along with a ton of other riders out there. Don't take our word for it. Go read rider reviews. A couple other things to note is that there is a locking gas cap that Acerbis has that we offer on our website. It does not come included with this tank, but you can buy that separately if you want the ability to lock that. And as far as the install process goes, we've got a great how-to video, shows you step by step how to get one of these installed on your motorcycle. So after you pick yours up, watch that video get installed and you're ready to rock and roll on your next ride. If you have questions or comments though, we'd love to get those answers, so make sure just leave those down below. To grab your fuel tank, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We have these available from Acerbis for a lot of other motorcycles as well. So if you just enter the year, make, and model of your bike on the product page, that will ensure that you do get the proper fitment. And if you want to stay up to date on videos like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.